When research walks on the field, judgment does not walk off. D. Camper. Similarly, when market research is done unbiasedly, businesses tend to earn a competitive advantage over their opponents. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to evaluate market trends, understand customer needs, and analyze competitor strategies. Let's begin this. This lecture will allow you to understand the purpose of market research and its key methods, learn how to evaluate market trends and customer needs, explore strategies for competitive analysis. Market research is the process of gathering information about your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. It not only helps businesses find opportunities but also allows them to develop strategies that meet customer needs. Surveys. Asking customers about their preferences and opinions. Focus groups. Discuss ideas with a small group or gather insights. Data analysis. To understand market behavior using existing data like sales reports or social media trends. Competitor analysis. Observe what competitors are doing well and where they fall short. Let's examine what benefits market trends bring to business growth. To understand it better, market trends are patterns or changes in an industry that signal what customers are interested in. Businesses observe these trends to be relevant and competitive. For instance, the rise of e commerce shows how customers prefer shopping online. A retail store noticing this trend might invest in building an online platform to attract more customers. Understanding what customers want is very important for market research. This includes solving customer pain points. For example, faster delivery for online orders, offering unique features or services. For example, personalized product recommendations, meeting evolving preferences. For example, eco friendly packaging. For example, a coffee shop might learn through surveys that customers want plant based milk options. The shop can attract more customers and increase sales by offering these choices. Competitive analysis, on the other hand, is the process of studying your competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and strategies. It helps businesses identify gaps in the market and find ways to stand out. List direct and indirect competitors. For example, a local gym might consider both other gyms and online fitness apps as competitors. Look at what they do well, such as customer service or pricing strategies. Identify areas where they fall short, like limited product variety or outdated technology. Use this information to differentiate your business. For instance, if competitors lack loyalty programs, introducing one could give you an edge. Think of market research and competitive analysis as a map of your business journey. Market research shows the roads ahead, trends, and customer needs, while competitive analysis highlights the traffic, competitors, and alternate routes, opportunities. Together, they guide you to their destination. Market research and competitive analysis helps businesses understand customer behavior and preferences, identify opportunities and threats in the market, make data driven decisions that align with business goals. Nike excels at both market research and competitive analysis. By studying customer trends, it identified a growing interest in sustainability and launched eco friendly products like shoes made from recycled materials. At the same time, Nike monitors competitors to ensure its branding and innovation stay unique and appealing. Choose a business or industry you're interested in. Conduct basic market research by identifying one customer trend and one competitor strategy. Write a short paragraph explaining how a business could use this information to improve its performance. Can you think of a business that uses market research or competitive analysis effectively? What do they do and how does it benefit them? Share your thoughts in the comment section. In summary, market research and competitive analysis are powerful tools for understanding customer needs and staying ahead of competitors. Businesses can make informed decisions and achieve lasting success by evaluating trends, analyzing customer preferences, and studying competitors. This was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.